Hey guys, welcome back to the video. We are on the E21 today, part 2. We are going to be moving this E30 out of the way shortly, putting the E21 on the lift for the first time because we need to put this transmission in. It is currently missing on the project list, so we're going to do that, and then we are going to fix this wiring issue and put the battery in the trunk. It's supposed to be right here, but we're gonna relocate it here to the trunk. And don't mind this is last person who owned it was trying to relocate it, so we are going to work on this today, and Alexis is on the way. He's going to be helping me get this done, so let's get started. All right, we're gonna move the E30 over, move this back. Currently in the black on black drip, just cause, you know, mechanic and can get oil and stuff on me, so don't want it to look. So that's what we're doing right now. I am actually currently getting over a cold, so you may hear that, but don't worry, it'll be gone in the next video. Alright guys, she's up in the air now on the lift. We are going to throw this transmission in. Good old get reg transmission, or get reg, whatever you want to say. We are going to get that put in and we will show you after. Alright, take 2. We took the shifter out to put it up on there. It wouldn't go through the trans tunnel without the shifter on.
There it is. Damn, this kind of slipped in pretty nice.
Oh, dab on them.
So we got the transmission in now and got the speed sensor hooked up. We need the drive shaft, but I still need to get that. Got it all bolted. Need to make a line here for the slave cylinder. You go to the master. It looks like it got messed up somehow, so we're gonna have to remake that. And then, yeah, I'm gonna bolt up the starter up top because it's loose. And yeah, that's where we're at now. Transmission's fully mounted and put up.
I'm taking over. Got that bad boy in. Got this thing on. Thing that tells the speed. Don't know. Not a mechanic. Look at these. That cool.
Alright, so since we put the transmission in, I got the starter bolted up, and while I was doing that, Alexis switched his bracket. Somebody already had a carb on here and made this like little, if you can focus in, made this little L for it so it can open up. I just need to make some kind of bracket to hold it. Probably come off of this bolt right here, make a L. They're normally fuel injected, so this is off of a 2002, so that's why it's carbureted, so it doesn't really fit right. So I'm just gonna have to figure out how to do something with that in the future video. But for now, we're gonna stop there, and we are going to get the battery all wired up. So I bought this wire right here. It's 1/0 wire for the battery, some clamps, and then a terminal for it. And this was already there. They used it as the power wire. I didn't like that they had black for the power, so that's why we're going to still use it, but cut it and then use it as a ground in the back. And then this we're gonna run from all the way from the front to the back. So I'm gonna start working on that, and hopefully we can get some power going into the car. Okay, so we're back. I got it routed. I don't have the crimp tool to put the crimps on. I thought I did, but I don't. So I'm running it from here to the starter, all the way around through the car, right there. This is the best way I found to get it through. It doesn't look the best. I may do something different, but right now that's what it is. It goes underneath the carpet here, just a little bit showing there, but I want to make a piece that covers that. Up under the seat to the trunk right here. And this is where the battery's gonna be. I'm gonna make a tie down for it. So I got the positive, and then I got negative going to the strut tower. And I just reused their positive wire, so it's a little long. I gotta cut both of them and put the terminals on depending on where the battery's gonna sit and which way it's twisted. So that is wired up for now until the next video. Alright guys, I think this is where we're gonna end this episode with the E21. We got the wiring routed. I just need to button up a few things, and we'll do that in the next episode. We got this fixed, which is progress. I need to find the same thread, but that will match this. What I have is too big for that, so the hose won't fit. So I gotta get that. We also got the transmission in, starter bolted, and everything. I need to make a slave cylinder line, goes to the master, and a few other things. But I think in the next episode we will have the coolant hoses, we will have all that other stuff fixed, and it potentially can start in the next episode once I get a battery and clamp those down. So I'm happy with the progress so far. You know, we don't have that many, I think we have like 4 hours working on it so far. So we are doing really well, and I cannot wait for this thing to run, hopefully the next video. So please stay tuned, and we will see you in the next video.
Peace out.
Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. You hear that? He was trying to hold my hand.
What?